Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0963 indicates an issue with the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve circuit in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This error signifies that the pressure control valve, which regulates hydraulic pressure in the continuously variable transmission, CVT, is malfunctioning, likely due to a high voltage or current in the circuit. The drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve plays a crucial role as it adjusts hydraulic pressure based on the commands from the transmission control module, TCM. The location of the solenoid valve is within the transmission assembly, making it critical for the effective operation of the vehicle's transmission system. If this valve fails, it could lead to transmission slippage or poor acceleration. Understanding this error code allows technicians to accurately diagnose and address underlying issues affecting overall vehicle performance. DTC P0963 is directly related to the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve, an integral component responsible for managing hydraulic pressure in the CVT system. This valve is controlled by varying the duty cycle output, which determines how much hydraulic pressure is produced. The location of this valve is within the transmission assembly, making it accessible during transmission service operations. The TCM, or Transmission Control Module, continuously monitors the current flowing through the valve, ensuring that the hydraulic pressure aligns with the required specifications. An incorrect reading from the TCM can trigger a malfunction indicator light, MIL, and lead to performance issues such as unexpected shifts or slipping. It is essential for the valve to function correctly for optimal vehicle performance, especially under varying load conditions. Several potential causes can lead to the activation of DTC P0963. Firstly, a short circuit in the drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve DRLS line may disrupt normal electrical flow, causing abnormal pressure readings. Secondly, an internal short within the solenoid valve itself can prevent proper function, resulting in incorrect valve operation and mechanical failure. Lastly, a failure in the TCM internal circuit could compromise the entire system's communication, leading to erroneous readings and erroneous control commands. Understanding these potential causes helps technicians streamline the diagnostic process and focus on areas that are likely to be the source of the issue. It is important to note that these are common but not exhaustive causes, and additional checks may be necessary for a thorough diagnosis. The primary symptoms of DTC P0963 include illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, and a blinking shift position indicator on the dashboard. These warnings typically indicate that the vehicle has detected a significant issue within the transmission system and prompts the driver to take action. Performance issues associated with this error may include harsh shifting, loss of acceleration, or suddenly losing power while driving. Such symptoms can greatly affect the driving experience, making it essential for vehicle owners to address the underlying problem promptly to prevent further damage to the transmission. Drivers may also notice unusual noises or behavior from the transmission as a result of this malfunction. Regular diagnostic checks can help identify the issue before it escalates. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0963 involves starting the engine and ensuring that it runs for at least 1 second. This allows the system to cycle through its normal operations, which could help in detecting any irregularities in the pressure control valve's response. Once this duration is passed, technicians should check for any current error codes using a Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This diagnostic tool provides critical insight into the status of the transmission control module and the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve. If DTC P0963 or any related error codes appear, further investigation into the specific components is warranted. It's important to ensure that no other unrelated codes are present to avoid confusion during the diagnostic process. In the second troubleshooting step, technicians need to conduct a thorough inspection of the DRLS line for any potential shorts that may be affecting the signal. This involves visually examining the wiring for signs of wear, fraying, or contact with other components that could lead to a short circuit. Continuity testing should also be performed to verify that the wiring is intact and free from breaks. It's crucial to ensure that all connectors are secure and free of corrosion, as poor connections can lead to voltage discrepancies and erroneous readings. If any issues are found during this inspection, they should be addressed before moving on to further steps. This step is vital to rule out electrical faults that could be diagnosed as component failures. The third step in the troubleshooting process involves testing the voltage and current values associated with the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve. Technicians should use a multimeter to accurately measure these electrical parameters and compare them against the manufacturer's specifications. Any values that fall outside of the normal range could indicate a fault within the solenoid valve or the control circuit. If the current is higher than expected, it could point towards a short circuit scenario. Conversely, low current readings may suggest an internal failure of the solenoid. Documenting these readings is essential for tracking performance over time and making informed decisions regarding repairs. Consistently abnormal readings necessitate further investigation into the component's health. After performing any necessary repairs, the final step involves clearing the DTCs from the TCM to reset the system. This is crucial as it allows the vehicle to rerun its diagnostic checks without the interference of previous codes. Following the reset, technicians should conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various conditions to ensure all systems operate correctly. During this test drive, it is essential to monitor the vehicle's performance, paying close attention to any symptoms that may reappear. If all operations remain normal and the MIL does not illuminate, it indicates a successful repair. However, if the error code returns, it indicates that further diagnostics are necessary to identify lingering issues. This verification step is key to ensuring that the repairs have been effective. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding DTC P0963 and ensuring the longevity of your vehicle's transmission. Regularly checking transmission fluid levels helps maintain optimal performance and reduces wear on critical components like the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve. Additionally, periodic diagnostic scans can help catch any potential issues before they manifest into problematic error codes, ensuring timely intervention. Drivers should also remain aware of any warning indicators on the dashboard. Early detection of potential malfunctions can save time and repair costs. Regular maintenance not only promotes vehicle reliability, but also enhances the driving experience. Keeping a maintenance log can also aid in tracking what has been done and when, making future maintenance more efficient. In conclusion, DTC P0963 presents a significant issue regarding the CVT drive pulley pressure control valve circuit, which warrants careful investigation and prompt attention. Understanding the causes of the error enables technicians to effectively troubleshoot and identify the underlying problems in the electrical and component systems. Following the outlined steps is critical for accurate diagnosis and effective repair, ensuring that all components function as intended. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance practices ensures the longevity and reliability of the transmission system, minimizing the risk of similar issues arising in the future. Ultimately, Thorough understanding and regular attention to the vehicle's needs lead to a much smoother and enjoyable driving experience. By focusing on proactive measures, drivers can not only enhance their vehicle's performance, but also avoid costly repairs down the line. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.